How to edit save Google password autofill on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Google. After click on Google, click on all services. After click on all services, you will see autofill with Google is here. Click on autofill with Google and click on Google password manager. So here showing your password. If you want to edit save Google password, so click on Google password and edit. So after edit Google save password, go back to home screen. So that's how you can edit save Google password autofill on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.